Lemon, stop. Good morning. Hope you're doing well. Morning. Hi, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing good. Beautiful morning this morning. Nice Monday morning here. Ready to start the week right. Good morning. Hope you're having a great day. New hat today. New hat. So really excited. I got the two new hats from my boy. Good morning. Good morning. So yeah, today looks like the market's not in too bad a shape. Not too bad a shape. Overall, this morning, we're still down 1.27% with the validity hidden TYME here. Good morning. Does TYME have any chance without a catalyst? So what a lot of people don't understand is there's so many catalysts coming for this company. And it's one article away from absolutely taking off, guys. All they need is an update in one of their trials. Boom. Yeah, some excitement. Oh, I'm here for it. But TYME, it's a really great stock. I wouldn't own 2,080 shares for no reason. I'm expecting an article at the end of this month, which is coming in the next couple trading days, or mid next month. And at the worst case scenario, in the beginning of May, they're having a meeting about their sarcoma study. So that's going to be a huge thing too. There's just so many things happening for this company. I'm really excited. The price might not reflect that right now, but let me tell you, if you got in the stock, when I got in the stock, the excitement of seeing it go from the level it's at right now to $4.99, that was absolutely insane, and we took some profit there and made it some good amount of money. So we're just going to keep going, sticking with our plan, and TYME is sitting right at the EMA line right now. It crossed above the EMA line on Friday, closed at 180, and that line sitting at 179. How's that XL Fleet treating you? Well, XL Fleet, I mean, it's actually not doing that bad this morning. This morning it's up 0.84%. Currently on my XL, I'm going to always be 100% transparent. I'm down 50.52%. That's what happens when someone releases a short report and the stock goes down a bunch. It's just what happens. You got to hold on. Yep, that's probably the worst loss I have in my whole portfolio, probably my whole entire trading career. But guys, remember, I still believe in XL. I would have sold it by now if I didn't, and I'm holding. Their earnings call is on Tuesday, so I'm ready. CYDY today. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Tomorrow it goes up. Yep, it will. Oh, I know, it's all yeah, I'm not saying it was a bad comment or anything. Don't worry about that. I just I love being down on XL this much, because one day when it's up, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. So holds on TYME. I'm holding TYME. I like CPNG. I used to have a couple shares. I swing traded it a little bit ago. It's a great long-term stock in my personal opinion. I just thought it would be a little safer for me to put my money in stock. I have one ARC ETF share. I have one Apple share. I have Unity Software. I feel like those companies are a little bit safer than CPNG. Things are going to bounce back soon. Oh, I know it. Pick of the day today was under the ticker. Where is it? ARC. It was the ARC ETF today. I believe I picked it at 114.0 something. ARC ETF. It's going to be a great one. If you want some exposure to Tesla without having to pay for a whole entire Tesla share, the ARC ETF has about 10% of its ETF in Tesla, and a lot of other really great emerging companies. So make sure to check that out. Oh, my pleasure. CPB. Campbell's Soup. I mean, hey, people are buying soup. They're not buying soup, right? Personally here, sitting on, I mean, it looks pretty fairly very valued to me. I'm not going to say it's overvalued. I don't think it's undervalued at all. Overall, it's a good long-term hold. CPB, Campbell Soup. Good long-term hold, in my personal opinion, of course. Down 0.58% today now. Not bad in the morning. If you sold 5% of your TYME right now, what would you buy? Hypothetical question. If I sold 5% of my TYME right now, how much is 5% of my TYME worth right now? Let's see. So 5% of my TYME would be worth right now $185.12. So if I had $185.12 right now, I would most likely buy 2 shares of... No, I'd probably buy 1 share of the ARK ETF, ARKK. And then so if you subtract 113.60 from that, that would leave me with $71.52 left. I'd probably buy 2 shares of BOTZ, the Global Robotics and Artificial Intelligence ETF. That's sitting at a price point of $32.68. And then that would leave me with $6.16, and I would probably use the remaining $6.16 to put in TYME. No, I'm kidding. I wouldn't put it back in TYME. I would probably get 1 share of GBS at $5.59. And that would leave me with 57 cents. And I wouldn't really be able to use that 57 cents. So keep going. Just get NEO out of the way. Let's just get NEO out of the way. Thoughts. I like NEO. I do like NEO. I really do like NEO. It's going to be a great long-term stock. As soon as their delivery numbers come out after this whole mishap happened with the ship and the chip shortages and being shut down for a couple days, guys, being shut down for a couple days doesn't make your overall business worth less over the long term. It's just a short-term thing. Buy limited? I'm not sure what you mean by limited. Thank you for... Yeah, I love this hat. I love it. Yeah, I am keeping TYME. What's a good chip stock? Personally, I think the best chip stock on the market right now, there's 2 of them that I really like. I like Intel and I like AMD. I love those 2. I'm not worried about TYME. Not at all. It's a long-term hold, guys. If you think that people that are millionaires in today's world that are trading stocks like this, if you think that they're checking their account balance every single day, you're 100% incorrect. I promise. Oh, nice. Good move on XL on that one. What's going on with NEO? Well, NEO, it had a little bit of a hiccup and they stopped production for a little bit, for like 5 days or something because of the chip shortage. But it's nothing to worry about. They're down 2.6% today, sitting at $36.13. I'm holding on. With NEO being down this much, you just got to wait for the bleeding to be over. If you believe NEO's going to zero, get out. But I don't. Do I have any accounts outside my $5,000 challenge? So, you know nothing. Thank you. Appreciate it. But do I have any accounts outside my $5,000 challenge? So a lot of my money is in sports cards right now. I have most of my valuable sports cards at PSA currently. I just won a couple in breaks that are coming, and I bought one Zion Williamson rookie card, a Prism, the other day, so that should be coming in. I'll be able to do mail days for you guys. But I have a lot of money in sports cards. I have a pretty good amount of money in cryptocurrency from back in the day. Yeah, no idea, right? You always dipping to the mid-20s, I think. Oh, well, good luck with that. Do you do options trading? I don't personally do options trading. I'm not really, that's not really my thing, you know. I'm really good at investing in normal stocks, not really doing options. Don't really know a lot about that, but I know people in my StockForge Discord that do, and they're more than happy to help you any way they can for absolutely free. You just get on there and ask them questions. They'll be more than happy to answer any questions you have that I wouldn't be able to answer personally for you, because I'm not just going to make up and lie, you know. Market is price the stock is currently trading. Yes. Market price is the stock, what brokers are asking for, the ask for the stock. New residential investment is a fantastic stock, very similar to Rocket Mortgage. Definitely check it out. Great dividend. NEO, I love NEO long term because I want to see how many people account listen to him. You don't deserve to see. Let's see. Block. See you later, my dude. How long you holding PLTR? I actually own 0 shares of PLTR, but I do believe it's a really great long-term hold all the way until the end of the year as the distribution of the vaccine speeds up a little bit here. I'm really excited to see where this thing goes. Let's see here today. I just got Topps 2021 Series 1, got some good rookie cards. Reggie Jackson 75th anniversary card. Oh, nice. Yeah, those are always a fun rip. Which blockchain, Mare or Riot? Personally, I like Riot a little bit better. I love SOS as a long-term play too. NNDM PT. I have a PT of about $20 to $22 by the end of the NBA season. End of the year. At end of the NBA season, I have a price target for DraftKings at $100. You rock, Joey. They have no idea what they're talking about. Stay awesome, my dude. Appreciate you, my dude. Yeah, I know. They're just saying stuff. It's okay. Good morning, Big Sean. What's going on? It's Monday Fun Day. We're here. We're ready. Gold and silver. I'm not getting into gold and silver personally because I already own Litecoin and Bitcoin. But they are great investments over the long term with the fears of inflation. Yes. XL end of the year, I have a price target from $35 to $50. I know it's a pretty big range, but we just got to see where it goes. I think Skills is a great investment. Catherine Wood just bought into it a little bit ago. I think it has some great potential long term, and it's something that I'm definitely going to consider investing in once I free up a little bit of money from time when it starts to go up. Sitting at the moving average right now, looking good. I know, trust me, I've learned. I guess you can't be nice and just pushed around. That's the biggest thing that I've learned in the business world. You can't just let the people like that push you around, because if you do, you'll never get to where you want to be. I would hold on to NEO. There's no point, in my personal standpoint, there is absolutely 0 point to sell your NEO right now. Why sell it for such a big loss to buy it, for a lower price? You think it's going to go much lower than $35.06? I don't. Plug, I love Plug. LR, let's see. LRCX, yeah, I'll definitely look into it. ACST, let's look. I'm staying away from that pharmaceutical company. I just don't know a lot about the company. For you to invest in a pharmaceutical company like that, you have to know a lot about specifically the company, what they do, how they're doing. What's your price target for JMIA? I have a price target for JMIA to $100. I think I changed it from $90 to $100 by the end of the year. Good morning. I like IDEX long term. I have a $5 price target by the end of the year. And overall, I think that sector is really undervalued when it comes to electric agriculture tools like tractors and things like that. And lawnmowers. DNN price target. I don't personally have a DNN price target. DNN's a pretty risky stock. Oh, nice. Yeah, the LIT ETF is great. TYME, I'm holding on. I don't have a DNM price target. I personally own 20 shares. I'm not going to be adding any more to it. I just wanted 20 shares in my portfolio to see what happens. Overall, this mining company is losing money, but it is backed by Bill Gates, and that attracts my attention when something's sitting at $1.06. So it's something that I'm owning a little bit of in my portfolio. If it goes huge, cool. If not, not a huge deal. I have 20 bucks into it. SOS cheaper than investing in Bitcoin. I like SOS, I really do. But the thing is, it might be cheaper than investing in Bitcoin because it's not as good as investing in Bitcoin, because buying SOS and buying Bitcoin, it's not the same thing. I appreciate you. Good morning, boss man. Happy Monday. You think the bleeding is over and we see green today? I do believe we see some green today. But if we don't see green today, I believe it's the last red day of the week. If we see red today, by the end of the day, I really think the rest of the week's going to be looking really good. But overall, I think we're looking to be in the right direction today on Monday. But you just never know what's going to happen. What do you base your price target valuations on? Basically, what the future expected revenue of the company is, and also my input on it as well, based on the charts and what has increased the stock previously, and are they going to continue to do things that happen like that in the future? And if they do, how well are they going to do them? And then if they're going to do them well, at what point would that happen? It's just, you have to think about it a lot. Like, I think about stocks 24/7. A lot of people on here, they think about stocks for 30 minutes, an hour of the day, turn off their computer and do whatever they're doing, go to work and everything. My brain thinks stocks 24/7. I have all the time in the world to think about price targets for all these specific stocks. ALPP, I like it long term. I like IPOE long term, I really do. I think it has the potential over the long term to double. I like Viacom. CRSP, I love CRSP. TYME, I'm still loving TYME. I own 2,080 shares. Our portfolio value right now is at $5,521. I did deposit $100 the other day, but that's not going to count in my account balance until a couple more trading days. And I'll make sure to let you guys know when that comes into my account as like actual money. Right now, it like shows me what I have without that $100 in. So once that comes in, it should show the full amount. And so far in the $5,000 challenge, we've deposited two $100 payments. So it's going to be $200 now. And so technically, we'd say the $5,000 challenge started with $5,200. And if you want to even put in the free, so what's going on, Coach? If you even want to put in the free stocks, I got about $100 of free stocks total. So I guess we started at $5,300 if you want to look at it that way. And we're up $200. But overall, if you look at the performance of our portfolio throughout this challenge, I'm still really proud of how we've been able to perform compared to the S&P 500 over this 55 trading days. We are beating the S&P 500 by 25.18%. It's not something you're going to be able to do every single strand of time, but it's something I'm pretty proud of, beating the S&P 500 by 25.18%. Don't listen to what all these 16-year-olds in my comments say. Beating the S&P 500 by 25% on 55 trading days is pretty solid. Thank you so much. Appreciate it, bro. Yeah, keep holding on. Hard work will be rewarded, let me tell you. Let me tell you. Got 13 minutes still trading. Pick of the day today was under the ticker ARK, the ARK ETF. With it being a much safer option than investing in Tesla solely, and it's also cheaper than investing in Tesla. It's owned in the ARK ETF. There's about 10% of its overall portfolio in Tesla, so it gives you exposure to Tesla with less risk and a cheaper price tag. Oh, thank you so much, Coach. When do I think the markets go normal? We have no way of knowing. We don't. We have no idea. We just have to sit here and wait. All we know is, are they going to go back to normal eventually? Of course they are. Of course they're going to go back to normal, but we got to just be patient, stick to our plan, make sure to have some extra cash on hand just in case if you want to be extra safe during these times in the market and in the world overall. It provides huge opportunities for investors, for people making new businesses. This period of time in the next couple years is going to be marked as one of the biggest periods in history of generational wealth transferring over. And so that's the huge thing. There's going to be a lot of people that make millions of dollars in this pandemic. There's going to be a lot of people that sit there, do nothing, and complain the whole time about the pandemic. It's up to you which one you want to be. I like OCGN. I made my money on it, though, a while ago. ISR is my TYME. Well, I love it. Hold on. Don't give up on the investment you believe a lot in. If you put in the time and the research into it and you still believe in it and you love the company, nothing anyone can say should stop you from investing in that company if you truly want to. Oh, it will. It will. Change and adapt or get left behind. You're 100% right. Change and adapt or get left behind. Great saying. Sorry, I just screenshot. Sorry about that. Yeah, I just screenshotted that. I thought it was a good saying. I might tweet it later, if that's okay with you, of course. Good morning. What's a good course to take to learn? I don't have a course. I don't really recommend a course. I wouldn't, because I didn't take a course when I learned how to trade. So it's for courses a lot. It works for a lot of people, but you're going to see a lot of courses that are bad. But I do know one guy specifically. Message me after this live stream if you would like. He has this investor guide that he made. He put a lot of time into it. He's dyslexic just like me as well, and he's a creator here on TikTok. And he did great with this design. It's basically like a toolkit to help new investors learn, and it is crazy informative. I could just like try to like make something similar to his, but I'm not even gonna try because I think he hit it right on the tee. He's a really smart dude. He knows a lot of the things that I know. Just make sure to message me after, and I will send you his profile, and you can kind of go there. And then I'm pretty sure it's available for download. I think it's like $7, $10 or something like that. I'm not sure of the price, but it's a really great booklet that you might want to own, and it's something that I need to tell you guys is available. And I'm not getting paid or anything to promote it. I just really like what he's doing. Wild market is right. Wild market is right. It's just, validity, Gotta love it. Everyone wants to be a lion until it's time to do the lion type shit. You're 100% right. 100%. It's tough. Everyone. I feel like there's so many great stock TikTok creators. I'm really proud of. Neo predictions, I have a $100 price target by the end of the year for Neo. Or higher. We'll see. Naked, I'm staying away from naked. Let's go. W key, it's ran up a lot. I'm staying away. I know. They'll learn. The people that don't have patience will never invest in the stock market again. That's the big guy's whole plan. The impatient people that are just trying to make a bunch of money, wipe them out and make them never want to invest again because they lost so much. That's their plan. TYME, I own 2,080 shares. And TYME still. I love Neo. Neo's in a great buy point. And if you own Neo and you're down on Neo like I am, you have to hold on. You got to believe in the company. Do you hold Butterfly? I'm at 15. They have an amazing product. Oh, I love Butterfly. I was actually calling that stock when it was sitting at $12 in LGVW. I sold out about 20-something, 22, I believe. But it's definitely a stock I'm going to be getting back into it. WB, CBAT, bro. I like CBAT long term. It's going to be a great stock. My average on Neo. So to explain my average a little bit on Neo. So when I first was doing my TikTok, I was on Robinhood. And so I switched from Robinhood to Webull, sold everything I had on Robinhood, made the $5,000 account challenge on Webull. And so I did have Neo at $16, sold it on the Robinhood. And based on the price, we basically bought it right when we came back. So right now on my average price for Neo on this account challenge is $58.49. Not phased at all. If it heads to the 20s, I'm buying more. If it heads to the 20s, I'm putting another 100 in and I'm buying all Neo. That's all I gotta say. I don't think it goes to 20. No way, Jose. What do you see Apple in the near future? I love Apple. I think it's a great stock. I personally own Apple. It's actually my favorite stock for this year. Is it a good time to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum? I don't think so. But long term, it's a great buy. BFT merging this week. Yeah, BFT could be huge. You didn't miss anything huge. I was just talking a little bit about some of the stocks I own. We can go over them right now if you guys would like. Let's go over them real quick. So we got Snowflake. I got one share of SNOW Snowflake. We're currently up 6.65% on that stock. I have one share of Apple. We are down 1.51% on that stock. I have 20 shares of DNN. We're down 3.21%. I have 5 shares of ACIC. We're down 3.07%. I have one share of ARK under the ticker ARKK, down 3.36%. I have one share of Unity Software under the ticker U, down 3.71%. I have 2 shares of UWMC, down 6.64%. I have 3 shares of BOTZ, down 8.32%. I have 3 shares of BNGO, Bingo Genomics, I'm down 10.36%. I have 8 shares of Voyager. I am down 10.26%. I have 15 shares of Switch, SWCH. I'm down 13.16%. I have 5 shares of ITRM. I'm down 17%. I have 2,080 shares of TYME currently on the shares I own right now. I am down 19.56%, but overall we made money with TYME from selling 400 at $4.16. We have 12 shares of GBS. We're currently down 20.97%. We have 10 shares of NNDM. We're down 25.21%. We have 12 shares of POTX. We're down 28.36%. And NEO, we have 10 shares of NEO down 39.67%, and we have 20 shares of XL down 50.62%. The stocks we have in our portfolio, we're down a little bit, guys, of course, but overall, they're going to come back, and I'll be waiting. I like skills. Yeah, long term, it does not matter at all, guys. It does not matter at all. Should I keep buying SNDL, or would you sell? I don't like SNDL personally. They're just not making enough money for me. Any new stocks have caught my attention. I think the biggest stock that's caught my attention right now is Unity Software. Unity Software is tremendously undervalued. Fubo is down a lot, I know. But Unity Software is definitely one of my huge plays I'm in right now. I mean, I only have 1 share right now, but I love Unity Software. I'm going to be slowly adding to this company. I think it's got tremendous long-term potential, and it's being overlooked as an NFT play. The time will be here by the end of the week. We'll see. Hope so. G&E. What's up? Good morning. Fubo, great price. 100%. Yep, good buy-in price for Fubo, or however you want to pronounce it. Let's see. Currently trading at 21.88. Wow. Yeah, it's basically been dead for a little bit here. Ooh. But hey, if you're going to buy it, it's a good time. It is a good time. The chart's a little bit messed up on it, but whatever. AABB, I like AAAB. Good RX is great long term. Yeah, I believe so too. My man Joey, good morning. Good morning, Silly Rob. How you doing? $1,400 stimulus check. Where do I invest it? I personally didn't get a stimulus check, but if you got one and you want to invest it, I wouldn't invest all of your stimulus check, because that's the complete opposite of a stimulus check. They're basically giving you money from the people that are making a lot of money, giving you $1,400. You're going to get it right back to them. But always, I would suggest doing about 25% of your stimulus check. And even to just start investing, it's not something that you should put your whole stimulus check in and expect to make a bunch of money really quickly, because it's $1,400. But NEO is a great option. I really like Apple. I like Switch. I like GBS, NNDM, POTX long term. And if you can muster the cash, Snowflake under the ticker SNOW, it's a really good one too. But it's currently 9:28 here in Grand Rapids, Michigan, 2 minutes away from market open. We're currently down 0.87% today. Not too bad. Are you expecting news on TYME? I am very, very, very shortly here. I'm investing it to get money for my kid a car. Yes, I know that you want to get your kid a car, but it's not something that you can put money into the stock market and guarantee a profit in a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. It's not something that can happen. The market's really up and down right now, a lot of validity, and so you have to be careful, and you shouldn't just be going for the home run, because you could lose money by doing it. Let's go green week. Yeah, we're hoping for a green week. Let's get it. We got 1 more minute till market open. Not too bad, and currently our portfolio now is down 1.38% for the day today so far. I'll take it. ITRM, I like ITRM long-term. Walmart calls, I'm not really informative about a lot of calls, but I do love Walmart long-term as an investment. They're going to be great, especially with Walmart Plus, compete with Amazon. They take some of their market share, and I think Walmart's in a great position to do some great things over the next 5 years. Thank you so much. Yeah, you actually, guys, if you want, there's a link in my bio to purchase this hat, and Toomey Trading Post was really great. Oh, thank you so much, Sage. Love you. But yeah, this hat, he gave me 2 free hats, kind of like he did before, and there's a link in my bio to purchase one of these hats, a black or a white one if you guys like. It's definitely not required or anything, but if you do buy one, he will be giving me $5 for every hat sold to put into the $5,000 challenge and grow our account a little bit more. So anything is greatly appreciated. If you like this hat and you want to get one and help support me, perfect. Thank you so much. Links in bio. But if not a huge deal. It's just the hat I wear. I love this hat. It's very comfortable. I love the new design on it too. But whatever you guys want to do, that's okay with me. I could sell 0 of these hats, and that's fine. It's not like I bought hats and like trying to sell them. It's my buddy's brand. He's really working hard at what he's doing. I love it. I love wearing it for him. And if you guys want to, I'd really appreciate it. Snow IPO 227 sold out at 330. I was sad when I saw it. Yeah. Oh yeah. Snow's great. SOS, great stock long term. How do you know about the news? Are you assuming? I'm not like assuming. They actually have multiple stage 3 trials going on right now for about 3 of their drugs. And so when they get an update on any of those 3 drugs that are currently in the stage 3 of their trials, it's going to do great because all of them are showing tremendous results so far. Not just assuming. You're just assuming that it's bad because you haven't done your research. Is having an average of 135 on ARK bad? No, it's not bad. ARK long term, it's going to be over $250. If you look at Berkshire Hathaway A, it was sitting at the levels the ARK Innovation ETF is sitting at right now, and look where it's at, over $100,000. Am I saying ARK ETF is going to go to $100,000? Absolutely not. But by the time I'm a grandpa, who knows? Market's open. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I know you got to look into these companies and have more, so you can have more confidence in your investments, so that if and when it goes down at any point, because stocks go up and down, they all go up and down, you're going to be able to have enough confidence in your brain to say, I know this is a good company, I'm just going to hold on to it, who cares? But if you're not really sure about your investment, you're going to go, oh no, it's dropping, I'm going to sell right now, and you sell for a loss and you lose money. MKL is a tiny Berkshire. Oh yeah, and then Berkshire Hathaway has Berkshire Hathaway B as well. Okay. Can we just wait till I'm almost done? I'll put it in for you. Yep. Here we go. The market is open. Love to see it here. Right now, today so far, we are down 1.04% to begin the day. Still a long way to go. But yeah, guys, I just want to appreciate every single one of you. Thank you so much for being here in my live stream with me this morning. Make sure to comment on some of my videos. If you have any video ideas that you want me to make sure to let me know and I'll make it for you. I'm trying to bring as much value to every single person out there as possible. I love each and every single one of you guys. Hive, I'm staying away from. Thank you. Give me some pets for Daisy. I know she deserves them. She's been going everywhere. I love all the videos that you make. Again, thank you guys so much for being here. I love every single one of you guys. I'm going to get going. I got class soon. So guys, make sure to be careful out there. Make sure to do your own research. Stick to your plan. And as always, happy trading.